Thank you, Shafiq, for the great explanation on business introduction. So, next we explore more on Kedai Dhoby Jaya Trading business characteristic. Firstly, Kedai Dhoby Jaya Trading has been registered under Suruhan Jaya Syarikat Malaysia SSM on 16 October 2023. As the business type is sole proprietorship, it is solely owned by one person, which is Tumin bin Mansur. So, here is the SSM certification of Kedai Dhoby Jaya Trading. Okay, next let's see on how the owner gained 150,000 of capital to start his business. Based on Sir Tumin, the source of capital amounting 150k is from his Employee Provident Fund (EPF), as he is retired from previous corporate job. Besides, Sir Tumin also liquidated his asset by selling his land. Therefore, the capital of 150k was gained from his APF and asset liquidation to start his Dhoby business. Next, as his business is sole proprietorship, the profit and loss gain is volume entertainment by the owner. Next, books of accounts of his business are statement of profit and loss and statement of financial position of 31st December every year. To prepare the financial statement, Sir Tumin always documented all his business transactions by keeping all the supplier invoice, expenses bill, payment voucher, and official receipts by month. The financial statements were prepared by a third party, such as an accountant and tax agent that was hired by him. Therefore, it shows that Sir Tumin declared his income tax every year. Next, the business has limited liability, which means the personal item will not be confiscated by the authorities if the debt cannot be paid. Only business asset will be confiscated. Last but not least, the business was managed and controlled by his son. He also hired 3 staff for shop operation for day-to-day activities. So, that's all for the Kedai Dhoby Jaya Trading business characteristic. Next, I will pass to the next presenter. Thank you.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. Nama saya Muhammad Afiq. Jadi saya terangkan tentang proses accounting lah, cara-cara Encik Haji Ibril, pengusaha laundry, mengira accounting pada setiap hari. Jadi Encik Haji Ibril akan collect data, maklumat tentang kewangan yang masuk, dan waktu hujung bulan Encik Haji Ibril akan kira untung kasar, masuk duit, keluar duit, dia akan kira sendirilah secara manual. Jadi Encik Haji Ibril ni akan buat satu rekod lah, debit, kredit dan hujung tahun. Jadi Encik Haji Ibril ni dia akan minta upahkan salah satu company ni untuk kira accounting untuk 1 tahun. Kira macam audit lah. Itu yang saya faham lah. Encik Haji Ibril ni mengamalkan konsep cash, receive journal dan purchase journal. Sekala penerimaan cash daripada customer akan direkod. Setelah kalau ada pembelian macam deterjen ke, ada kerosakan, dia akan record daripada purchase journal lah. Jadi Encik Haji Ibril ni dia akan buat trial balance. Debit credit akan buat trial balance. Lepas trial balance, dia akan kalau berlaku adjustment, dia akan buat adjustment lah. Lepas tu final accounting. Itu yang Encik Haji Ibril lakukan lah untuk proses dia. Tak ada non-current asset ke, macam investment ke, ataupun e-wallet ke, tak ada. Pakai cash sahaja. Tak ada hutang, tak ada credit card, tak ada guna lah.
Created using Powtoon. Assalamualaikum and a very good afternoon to all my fellow friends and my dear lecturer. My name is Firdaus and I will continue to explain on our outcome while doing a research on Mr. Algebraic Company, which is Kedai Dobi Jaya, located at Pasir Gudang, Johor Bahru. Our main perspective that I will explain is on the advantage and disadvantage on their accounting process practice. Before we go further, let me summarize first on the Kedai Dobi accounting process. Based on the 6 phase of the accounting process, we can divide it as it's shown in the slide. Okay, as we can see, the Kedai Dobi Jaya are preparing transaction details and journalizing, and the rest process such as ledger, trial balance, adjusting entry, and financial statement are preparing by consultant agency that been appointed by the Kedai Dobi Jaya. Okay, now let's have a look on the advantage of implement this kind of practice. The first advantage is the Kedai Dobi Jaya can having a cost saving in terms of overhead costs, software and hardware investment, and professional development costs. Besides that, they also can improve the efficiency on doing their business without any hassle thinking on the account preparation. They can also access on the specialist accountant, and it will increase the accuracy and the timeline of the account preparation. Okay, the next advantage is reduce in risk. The risk that involved is risk in fraud, risk in making an error, and risk in a compliance toward the regulation. Beside advantage, there are also some disadvantage that we found. The first disadvantage is the company will lose control toward a lot of information. For example, the company somehow not really understand on their financial health. The second disadvantage is the communication and coordination challenge that might happen throughout this process that contribute to the delay response and communication. The last disadvantage is security risk will be unsecure due to the company somehow provide the sensitive financial information to the third party company. Alright, that's all for me. Thank you very much.